Hello and welcome to Hillman Talk Engineering 101, Week 9, Lecture 4. Will you help me wire 3 LEDs to my robot? These LEDs need to be in series with a resistor between 100 and about 330 ohms. And I am going to put my 3 LEDs next to the 2 things we've already wired, including a button, a buzzer, and now here's the first LED. Long leg on the left, short leg on the right. I am in a hotel, so I don't have my tripod. So you're just gonna have to work with me, even though the setup is not ideal. Here is the second one. They look like they're in parallel, but they're actually not touching. And then here is the third one. Okay, so there are the 3 LEDs. And long leg is on the right, short leg is on the left, and they're straddling the ditch. One hand is not ideal for doing this, but hopefully you're getting the gist. And I want them to go to pins 2, 3, and 4 on the Arduino. So here is my top wire. And that one is going to go to pin 2. My next wire goes to the next LED. That one is going to go to pin 3. And then my final wire goes to the red LED. And that one's going to go to pin 4. Remember, week 9 is all about wiring the electronics. And week 10 is going to be about programming the robot, programming the behaviors. Okay, our last step is to add resistors. This is a brown, green, brown, so it's about 150 ohms. So this is my ground bus down here. So one leg goes to the ground bus, the other leg goes to the short leg on the red LED first, like so. Then the next one goes to ground, and it's going to go to the short leg on the green LED. Like so. And then the last one is going to go to the blue LED. Like so. And then I'm going to zoom in so you can take a look at it. Uh-oh. And of course one LED fell off, part of the demo factor. Hold on. So bad news, the LED fell on the floor and it broke. And I'm in a hotel, so I just don't have any more LEDs laying around. So your 3 LED demo just became a 2 LED demo. I hope you enjoyed it and stay STEM-tastic. Make sure you take the quiz and come back for lecture 5.